Hazrat Ali wrote governor of Basra, Usman bin Hunayf, as Kadiktafa min dunyahu min tomihi bi kursayhi. I sufficed with two laws of the world's wealth. Allah wa innakum la taqdiruna ala zalika. It is true that you can't able to do so. Walakin a'inuni bi warain wajtihad. However, you should support me with your piety and efforts. فَوَاللَّهِ مَا كَنَزْتُمْ مِن دُنْيَاكُمْ تِبْرًا. Wallah, neither did I accumulate gold from the world. وَلَدَّخَرْتُ مِنْ غَنَائِمَهَا وَفْرًا. Nor collect huge wealth. Once at the place of Zikar, Hazrat Ibn Abbas entered the tent of Hazrat Ali. Hazrat Ali asked him, Ibn Abbas, ma qimatu hazan na'al? What would be the price of my shoe? Ibn Abbas replied, La qimata laha. This broken shoe made of palm leaves is of no worth. On hearing this, Hazrat Ali replied, to me, the worth of government isn't equal to this broken shoe, provided that I establish Adle Ilahi. Hazrat Ali said to a man Asim that it's necessary for me to spend life keeping in view the weak and the most backward person's life, so that indigent and backward class may not be shocked. During his Khilafat, Hazrat Ali described about the residents of Kufa as Inna adnahum ya'kulul burra yajlisu fi zilli. A man of the lowest status not only eats bread but keeps his own house. In 2006, the United Nations Development Agency UNDP declared ideal Hazrat Ali's style of rule.